4 waffles or pancakes all at the same time, 6 cooking settings, indicator lights, and an audible chime, all in a beautiful stainless steel casing. It's no surprise that the Cuisinart WAF-300P1 waffle and pancake maker is one of the best-selling on Amazon at the moment. But is it really worth the $120 that you need to get yourself one of these? Let's find out. Hey everyone, I'm Matthew Lee from ShouldIT, and in today's episode of the ShouldIT Waffle Maker series, we're going to take a look at this fresh unit of Cuisinart Breakfast Central Belgian Waffle Maker with pancake plate. So we're going to open the box, see what's inside, assess the build quality, and see how exactly it fares in the kitchen. This is the entire unit out of the box. As you can see, at the top is made from a layer of brushed stainless steel. It feels really high quality, as well as a metal handle here that should be safe to the touch whenever the waffle maker gets hot during operation. When you open, on the inside, comically enough, despite being advertised as a Belgian waffle maker first, and these are going to be the waffle plates that you're going to use whenever you want to make waffles with this particular model. In the front, you can see the temperature control knob, which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 different cooking settings in addition to an off position. And at the front, there is a power button, a red power button, as well as a ready button. Now, let's turn the WAF-300P1 into its waffle configuration. So in order to do that, we're going to need to use the switch at the bottom and the top here. When you push on it, it will push up the plate. Push, and you can remove it. Underneath, you will find the heating coil. This is a heating coil which will be directly controlled by the temperature knob up in front. So now let's install our brand new waffle cooking plates. You'll find a text written to the side. So it's going to go to the bottom. Push it in. Same for the top plate. It says upper here. The slot in the hinge, and push it down. The waffle maker is now ready to bake. Okay, so one thing about the power cords, it's not the longest that we've ever seen, but it's not too terribly short either. But you're going to probably need, now that the waffle maker is plugged in, let's put the switch to the medium, so cooking setting number 3. And we're going to just let it heat up. So there was actually a chime. So now that the waffle plates are nice and hot, despite it being non-stick according to Cuisinart, I'm still going to give it a very, very thin layer of cooking oil anyway. Sizzles right away. The temperature is really, really good. The ready button is going to turn green when the waffles inside are ready to be eaten. It's not hot at all. So yeah, big points on the safety. So it doesn't stick at all. It just came off the entire plate easily. And as you can see, there's no food debris on the waffle plate. Overall, it does seem like it did its job pretty well. Seems quite good. There is a very, very crispy crust on the outside, and it seems like on the inside it is lightly moist. There's not a lot of air bubbles, but I'm gonna have a taste anyway. Yeah, there's definitely crispiness, but the inside is a little bit moist. But overall, I think this is palatable and most importantly, edible. It did its job well. So, in conclusion, does this waffle maker worth $120? I would say yes. Design is great. It seems like a very durable machine. We haven't seen any kind of design flaw or manufacturing defect on our unit. The waffle plates that can be quickly detached, dishwasher safe, and the fact that it can also be replaced for plates that can cook 4 pancakes at the same time. So that's it for today's unboxing video of the Cuisinart WAF-300P1. We're going to have an in-depth review of this unit coming onto our channel sometime within the next week or 2. And in those tests, we're going to take a very close look at its performance, design, and also the ease of use of the unit. So subscribe and stay tuned to next episodes of the Waffle Maker series from ShouldIT. I'm Matthew Lee from ShouldIT. See you next time.